free games. I got free games on Firecracker Wilds, but doesn't mean anything good unless something happens. Let's go. Nothing. I like this game, but I've never done well on the bonus. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, there's a buck. There's 268. Ah, come on now. Ah. Well, now my wins are up to $4. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take this and walk. I mean, it ain't much, but... Okay. I think I got 2 more. $7. I like Firecrackers Wilds. Up to 8. Cool. Come on, go! Come on, big one, please! Stop on the Firecracker Wild! No! You get those 2, man. You want to do something with it. That was disappointing. Here's the last one coming up. Damn. I wanted 3 of those Firecracker Wilds. Alright. 924 though, pretty good. Let's spin the dice down to 11. We'll play it down to 11. So there's 2 more spins. You don't want to give it all back. Okay. Thanks for watching.